you'd agree, from the 1616 Visa Del Mar video, that's that video, the one that shows the whole struggle and all the fuzzy stuff, right? You'd agree that there is no evidence from that video of an actual gun being discharged, correct?
Correct. From that view by itself, no.
The sequence surveillance video that you put together overlaps video from the 1616 Visa Del Mar video with the audio from the 6200 Hollywood Boulevard video.
Correct.
All right. And that's the People's Exhibit 15, is that right?
It is,
15? Okay. And you did that, right? You basically overlapped the video from 1616 Visa Del Mar that had no audio, right?
Correct.
Okay. And the audio from 6200 Hollywood.
Correct.
And you put them together. And you agree that the 1616 Visa Del Mar video, you just said this doesn't have any sound, but the video from 6200 Hollywood Boulevard does.
That's correct.
So you overlapped the videos from each location, trying to show when the shot would have occurred during the 1616 Visa Del Mar video.
Correct.
Okay. Of course, if the overlap detected is off, even by a fraction of a second, the shot would not have occurred during the precise moment shown on the overlap 1616 Visa Del Mar video, correct?
Correct.
And with regard to the 6200 Hollywood Boulevard video, you extracted 3 sets of videos from 3 different cameras maintained by the business at that location.
Correct.
And it's been stipulated, you heard of that, we agreed
Yes, sir.
on something. It's been agreed that the date and timestamp on the 3 cameras from 6200 Hollywood Boulevard are approximately 2 to 3 minutes faster than actual time.
That's correct.
And the reason the cameras are approximately 2 to 3 minutes faster than actual time instead of the exact amount is because each camera is off from an actual time by a different amount.
Yes, sir. I mean, it's not unusual when we collect video.
Yes, it's unusual. Okay. I'm saying the reason that you're using a range of 2 to 3 minutes as opposed to 2 minutes and 4 seconds is because each of those cameras is off from actual time by a different amount.
Yes.
For instance, on camera 1, you hear the first shot at 10, 15, 53 seconds. Hold on before we play it. We have to mark this. This is a defense exhibit.
Your Honor, I'm going to object to see this. This states the stipulation.
Well, that's what. What's what there?
He's saying the video from 6200 Hollywood was off by 2 to 3 minutes. He's talking about the business, the parking lot entrance, and the
Why don't you two confer? If I don't need to get involved, I don't want to get involved.
It's not 1, 2, 3.
So that's what I'm saying. The 6200 Hollywood. The one that's off 2 to 3 minutes is this one.
Yes.
You guys stipulated it was action.
All right, quick question. Just procedurally, because sometimes I feel like I'm in like the twilight zone. The exhibit 39, I did not object. It was displayed to the jury before we put in evidence. Is that procedurally how we do this here? I mean, because it was put on the
That says
easel.
6 photos.
Yeah, no, I know, but they were displayed to the jury before the witness identified them, before they entered. Is that, I'm getting an object, right? So I've waived any objection, I'm objecting, I'm asking procedurally, is that okay? I'm not making an objection.
All right.
Yes,
Is what
sure.
name?
39, exhibit 39, for example, these. They will put up on the screen, whatever it is, any exhibit, doesn't matter what it is, right? This. They will put up on the screen before they were shown to the witness, they were just put up on the screen.
Weren't they shown to Detective Flores while he was on the stand?
No, they were shown to detect floors like this, so the whole jury saw them also. Again, I didn't object. They're not controversial.
What's the problem?
I don't know what's the problem.
It's a question. Can we do this too?
Yes.
Wait, first of all, not only did I show them to counsel immediately before I put them up, I showed them I showed them to Mr. Takapina, Mr. Siegel, and the defendant himself to make sure.
You did
it
very
didn't have
nice.
Anything in
No,
there.
you both can't speak at the same time.
Well, you're getting Johnny. I'm not arguing.
Just to make sure there was nothing in there that he found, too private to
Yes,
share. So
what
what I'm
kind-
saying is, I previewed this for them well in advance, so they could make any objections they want.
But I maybe didn't get a part where I'm not complaining and I didn't object. I'm asking a procedural question.
Just show him the photos first.
Okay, that's a joke first, and then I just throw them up here, even though the witness has identified it.
You can put them up there and then ask who you can ask, the detective?
Now, one of my, hypothetically, I don't even know if you're one of my witnesses, right? Say, I have a photo of one of my witnesses. I
If
put
it's
it up
not
there.
an objectionable exhibit, and a witness is on the stand and establish a foundation
I can
for
put it right
it,
up.
then you can put it up.
Okay, so I showed to them, obviously, if they see it first, they don't tell me if you have a problem, then I can do that. And that's what I was asking. In New York, if I did that, I'd get remanded. Just, you know,
If you did what?
show an exhibit publicly to the jury before it was entered. Literally. That's what I was asking. You guys are really California mellow out
We're
here.
a long way from New York.
Yeah, you are.
All right, anything else?
No.
May I say something on the record? Usually my house is not usually that junky. I just want y'all to know that. Let's be clear. You know what I'm saying? That's
Yeah,
it.
it was cool. Thank you, and thanks for the check.
That puts a whole new, that puts a whole new light on the case. All right, we'll see everybody at